Hello guys, I'm going to be showing you a tour of my house that I just built. And I don't know if I can get through these doors, but let me get through this door. This is only the bottom floor. This could probably be the intro. This could be probably one room. This could be the kitchen. And this could be rooms. And so today I'm going to be building something new on this that I haven't built on my house for a very long time. Okay, let's go up here, and then we're going to get some blocks of emeralds, some water, and you can use this for a tour on how to make a, well, not a cool pool, but a pool without lights, technically, if you get the joke. If you don't, then you're sad. And that was just a joke, so okay, I'll be back whenever I'm done. Okay, welcome back, and I am finished with this. And so if you would like to subscribe or leave a like, I would love that. And let me give you one more tour before you go. Dun. Okay, so I'll see you guys next time, and bye.